Efya Nocturnal, Efya, great performance together with Stonebwoy. But tell us, what do you think of Stonebwoy's growth in the industry and how far he has come and the kind of feedback that he's getting from his home people?
I believe he can only do go higher. I mean, he has reached the threshold and is going beyond. So this is what we do it for, to be able to support your hood, make sure that everybody else that you came up with is good. So this is their way of supporting him. We're also going to back them up so they know that at least the crew is behind them, because it's a great thing that they're doing, and they need to know that we support them and we love them for what they're doing. So shout outs to Stonebwoy, the whole beam. Shout outs to all of us Ashaiman guys. You guys really showed out. Thank you so much. Big love.
When is the next project coming out?
It's dropping soon. Just watch out for it.
Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.